Hey everybody, today we're going to be solving problem 18 of the 2020 AMC test. So let's start. Rectangle ABCD is inscribed in a semicircle with diameter FE as shown in the figure. Let DA equal 16 and FD equal AE equal 9. What is the area of ABCD? A. 240, B. 248, C. 256, D. 264, E. 272. Well, usually when we get a geometry problem like this, we would start by making a diagram. Luckily, we're given a diagram and the sides are already labeled. So now let's see how we can solve it. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm first going to add the center of the circle, like that. And because this is the center of the circle, I know that this distance would be equal to this distance. So that means that this distance, let's name this point G. And then this distance GA would be 8, and this distance over here would also be 8. So that means that the radius would be 17. R equals 17 for this semicircle. So how can we use this information? Well, we have C and B. What we can do is we can connect G with C and G with B. And we can label this 17 because we know that this is also the radius of a circle. Now, what other information do we have? Well, we know that we're trying to find the area of ABCD. And to find an area of a rectangle, we have to find this distance and this distance. We already have this distance over here given us 16. So now we have to find this distance, or you could say CD. Now, the way we can find it is we can find it through Pythagoras. Pythagoras basically states in a right triangle, C square is equal to A square plus B square, where A square is one side length, B square is the other side length, and C square is the hypotenuse, basically the longest side in a right triangle. Now, how do we know we can use Pythagoras? Well, because it's a rectangle, and in a rectangle, all of the angles are 90 degrees. And usually, when there's 90 degrees, Pythagoras is involved. So now, using Pythagoras, I know that 17 squared is equal to 8 squared plus, let's just say, CD squared. Now I can solve this. 2 plus CD squared. Now let's subtract. 225 is equal to CD squared. Now I can underroot CD squared. CD is equal to 15. Now, I know some of you might say, well, if you square it, you can get positive and negative 15. Well, when we're using lengths, of course, it's positive. So CD is 15. Now, what do I have to do? I have to find the area of rectangle ABCD. So what's left? Well, we just have to multiply this with this to find our area. So we know that BA is equal to CD because it's a rectangle, so I can label this 15. 16 times 15 is equal to the area of ABCD, or in other words, our answer. Now, here's a quick way to do this. You can basically, you know that 16 is equal to 8 times 2, and 2 times 15 is equal to 30. So this is equal to 8 times 30. Now we know 8 times 3 is 24, times 10, 240. So our answer is A, 240. You can circle this answer, and you know that you will be correct. I hope you liked this video. Please like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you!